Hi there! A Vintage Woman magazine presents Cocktails on the Rocks with me, Miss Rocks the Fox. I'm going to show you how to make a white wine sangria. To make this, you need a white wine. I suggest a Pinot Grigio, some apple brandy, club soda, sugar, preferably white, a lime, a lemon, an apple, also an orange, and lastly, you'll need a large pitcher to put it all in. Now, if you want to make a mocktail version of this, you're just going to have to switch a few things around. You're going to omit the apple brandy altogether, and then you're going to take out the white wine and you're going to replace it with sparkling white grape juice. Then you're going to replace the club soda with ginger ale. To start your sangria, take 1/4 a cup of sugar and add it to the pitcher. Then add in 1/4 a cup of apple brandy. Next, pop open your wine and then pour the entire thing into the pitcher. Then stir it all together so you dissolve the sugar into the liquid. And now we're going to start slicing our fruit. We're going to begin with the lemon and slice it into rounds. Then add it into the pitcher. Do the same thing with your lime. Also, be sure to remove any seeds as you go. Place those into your pitcher as well, and then you're going to do the same thing again with your orange. Add in those slices, and then you're going to move on to your apple, cutting that into slices and adding it in as well. Now that your pitcher is filled, you're going to chill it to 1.5 hours to 2 or more hours. And while you're waiting, you can make yourself a cheese board to pair with your sangria. Start by adding a couple different kinds of cheeses, and then of course you can pop on some delicious bread. And then what's a cheese board without some crackers? I like to do an assortment with some plain ones and then also some delicious buttery crackers as well. I always like having some extra things to dibble on, such as some nuts, and then also some fresh fruits such as apples or raspberries. And then finish it off with a bowl of mixed olives to enjoy as well. You can then slide out this bottom drawer to reveal your knives, and then use one to of course do a taste test to make sure everything is good before you serve it. Now that your cheese board is all done, it's time for your sangria. Take it out of the fridge, and then you're going to get a glass and fill it with some ice cubes. You're then going to pour your sangria into the glass, and then also be sure to get a couple of pieces of fruit and float it on top as well. Then as your final step, you're going to take the club soda and just top it off to give it a little bit of fizz. And that's how you make a white wine sangria. Cheers! Hope you enjoy this refreshing treat, and don't forget to pair it with some wonderful snacks as well.